Good morning. My name is Kordie Marsenburg. By the grace of the Almighty God, I am a master's level social worker. As a qualified mental health professional, I've taught and provided practicum supervision to master's level social work students. I've worked over 33 years in many forms of social service. I've worked on committees, I've worked in interdisciplinary professional fields, and I've even been on the Missouri State Board of NAMI, the National Alliance of the Mentally Ill. In 2010, I became disabled. I'm still under doctor's care. I had to spend my 401k on medical bills as I transitioned financially from an earned income worker to that of being on a fixed income, Social Security. I'm here to share my predatory lending story as I hope that it would help to brighten the light on the plight that predatory lending has brought in our communities. When I became disabled, I found myself on a financial journey that only made my medical symptoms worse. I was in a 3-year battle with IRS, a place I thought I'd never be. I was too sick and unable to oversee my financial affairs, which led to banking troubles. Overdraft protection situations beyond my control caused me to have to live in a more expensive cash-only system. I was severely overwhelmed with medical bills. The results of hiring a negligent home contractor left me still trying to repair my home, one I want to stay in, all the while facing foreclosure. I was spiraling into a deep hole, physically, mentally, and financially. I felt like Lot in the Bible. My health, my home, my income, my financial securities, all were compromised at once. I saw no way out. I was eventually taken to a payday loan location in tears. It was one of the hardest things I have had to do. The other was to pawn and lose quality family jewels. I have utilized payday loans and pawn shops to purchase my medications and to obtain materials to repair my home. I am in month-to-month financial turmoil with 3 loans. The $500 used to pay off or on payday loans is money that's locked up. Money that cannot be used to pay for necessities. Once you take out a loan, it takes months to pay it off due to the high interest rates. Oftentimes, you need to take out another loan to pay for the first one. It's an evil, vicious cycle. I witnessed the young, the working, and those like myself, elderly and disabled, on fixed income, parade in and out of these locations. I have witnessed a white-collar Caucasian male wearing a suit in my neighborhood applying for a payday loan. This was an unusual sight. It, however, let me know how bad things are getting. People, for whatever the need, have sought this option as a way to solve their immediate needs, only to discover the financial burdens that they have found themselves caught up in. Remember when the government threatened to shut down? I had a payday loan. Without my Social Security check, I have no income. People like myself who cannot take out conventional loans from banks, nor can we use credit cards to compensate for monies that we don't have. We are a targeted group of individuals who are being unfairly penalized due to reasons beyond our control. Penalized because we are people who are unable to operate financially like the norm. Excuse me. We are shamed into deeper despair, while the abusive, oppressive financial industry and those who support it continue to suck the life out of our communities across America. I may be a retired social worker, but I will always be a social worker. And I'm here to tell you that predatory lending is social economics at its worst. I've gone from clinician to patient, and now I am an advocate standing before you today. I appeal to all of the presidential candidates, whether you become president or not. I appeal to you to seek alternative options for the United States citizens who are unable to bank in the current banking system. I am asking each of you to make moral commitments towards developing and implementing monetary and social policies that work for all citizens. That's the working people that are able to work. That's the working poor. And then there are those who are left out, those who are unable to use the banking system. These are the unbanked, those that are forgotten, unseen, neglected, and oppressed. I need and I am asking for monetary policy that works for we the people. Again, my name is Kordie Marsenburg, and I thank you for your time.